I have enabled reviews from the backend, but still not showing reviews tab in the single product page. If you are facing this type of issue, then don't worry, I am going to show you how you can easily fix it. Your reviews tabs will show up perfectly here. Hello guys, it's me Robin from Urban Web Solutions. If you need any kind of website or online store, you may contact with us. Please subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster and we will get more inspiration to make more useful tutorials in future. So go to the backend again. So first I'm going to show you how you can enable this reviews section. So first of all, you have to enable this. Without enabling it, reviews tabs will not show up in front end. So first I'm going to show you how you can enable reviews from your WooCommerce settings. So first of all, go to WooCommerce, then hover on it and click on settings. And after setting page, please click on products, and now you have to scroll down and you will see here options enable reviews. You have to check it. If it's unchecked, then the reviews tab will not be here and customer can't put any review. So first you have to check it, then save changes. We can see we have enabled, but still not review section is showing. So can you see this? We are going to fix it now. How we can do this? So this is the product. We are going to do this for this product. So go to the products, click on products, and then here is the products. So simply click on edit. You have to click on edit and go to the edit product page, and then scroll down and here you will see a option advanced. So you have to click on it, advanced. Then you can see here a new option, enable reviews. So you have to check again. You have to check this, and after checking, just simply update, and after updating, reload the product. So scroll down now, and yeah, we can see here our reviews section is successfully showing, and from here your customer can put any review to your product. So in this way you can easily fix it. And please subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, again saying, our WordPress community will grow up more faster. So thank you. Stay connected with RBNF Solutions.